We're unboxing this like a toy channel. There is a special. No.
Please, i-unbox na.
Well, this is a special gift. Bandai Namco. Behold,
Okay. O, buksan. Bukas.
the Pac-Man Power Up.
Ang maingay.
This is Holy Grail.
Bilisan mo.
Let's open up. This is Bandai Namco special.
Alisin na yung box.
Let's open up.
Siopaw laman yan. Siopaw galing sa alam ko.
Oh, our
sige.
case from Pac-Man celebrates from the anniversary from 45 years.
Ilabas mo na.
Let's see, open up. Shall we? Ah. This is from Bandai Namco. From Singapore. Gave us a special. And there's a lot of Bandai Namco specialties.
Hindi, laki naman ito. Hindi na makikita yung ano.
She's got box. There's a cover.
Open.
Let's
Open
open up this one. There's a lid.
Yan ang kutsilyo eh.
No. Only stick.
Andiyan na nga yung gunting. Ba't di pa ginunting?
It's a sticker. It's a tape. Let's see.
Mahaba ang oras eh.
Gonna open this one. This is done.
Andiyan na kasi yung gunting. Hindi ginamitan ng gunting. Ay na.
Gonna open this.
Ay, ito na nga yung gunting eh. Napakahina naman.
Yeah.
Umaba tuloy yung oras oh. Oh, tingnan mo.
There.
Oh, tingnan mo. Oh, tingnan mo ang dami oh. Para malilit na box yan. Susunod yan, maliit na box pa.
Box.
Another box.
This is open the case.
Ayan ang gunting eh. Ay, nako.
Voila. There's. We're going to use the switch.
Oh, okay.
Open.
Open the box. May box pa yung maliit.
No, where's the scissors? I will cut this. There's a Pac-Man zipper on top. Let's open this up here. There's stickers inside. Neat. Oh, look at that. This is for the zipper is putting up on the Joy-Cons and USB